Okay, so Maria, you just concluded the Unlock Your Vision workshop. We go way back because you're actually one of my students 7 years ago, which is it's good to see you again.
Yes.
But tell me what happened to you today during the workshop.
Today is something, it's different. I've been in so many workshops before, and I think what is touched me today is something so jump from my history and also from my culture. And I think today what Smyrna did is something that it's helped me from this day forward of taking an action of loving me more or respecting me more or like a self-love. That's what I've done it today. And also I'm so touched because what is this group, all this workshop is included about God. And because also a spiritual person, I think this is something that we should do more, included into a program or a workshop, because some people, they don't realize it in a way of they're just thinking about the business, they're thinking about luxuries and everything, and they don't realize, hey, we started from who is giving us in this world. Right? That's the reason why who we are here. God is given us this life. So for me, it's something different, and it's different that I done before. So I think it's something that I always think to myself, that I take one at a time whatever is in front of me, and I take that as whatever challenge and just continue in the journey. So what's God's given in front of me, and take that seriously. So today I just want to say thank you to Myrna, and of course you.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. You're one of the best teacher ever.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes.
very much. So quickly, just tell me a bit about your board. Like, let's have a look. I know there's some things in there you still need to put on there.
Yes.
But
yes.
tell me a bit about it and what came up from it as you're putting it together.
Okay, so this is my mission statement, and definitely I will say Atingu Legacy. My 5 things that I collected is first, number 1 for me is my spirituality, and then my freedom as my passion in culture, and respect to other people. And obviously, for my industry, I love to connect around the walls of life of influencing, and the most important thing for who I am and help me so much is my community. So its community is from this day forward, I always help my community. So the reason I select this, put this every day for me, I always say my 5 commandments, 5 commandments that I always put aside, I put inside of me wherever I go, whatever I do. I always remember this. It's like a man map for me, like a tray.